Hey, what's up YouTube? Making a video today doing an oil change on my diesel truck. So I was like, you know what, let me try this product. Heard a lot of good stuff about it. I just had injectors changed on it about 3-4 months ago, so I'm not really using it to clean the injectors, but I was like, you know what, let's see if it helps. It says it helps with the miles per gallon, less friction in the engine, so let's see. Right now my CTS monitor says I'm getting about 22-23 miles per gallon. That's a bunch of crap. I'll barely get like 16 miles per gallon. So right now I'm draining the oil. I'm gonna take the filter off. I'm doing this outside. I'm like, why not? It's not that bad today. It's like 42, so it's kind of nice. So draining the oil. I'm gonna take the filter off, so I'm not really gonna show you guys how to do the oil change. Everybody knows that, but I'm gonna show you guys how to put the right amount in. All right, guys. So I just drained the oil, took the filter off. Now I'm gonna start adding the Hotshot stiction eliminator. I'm gonna put maybe like a gallon of oil, then put this, and then I'm just gonna fill it up and then top it off and stuff. So okay, so the first time you use this, they want you to put 4 ounces per quart. It's taking 11 quarts of oil because of the PPE filter. So I'm gonna put 44 ounces. So it's basically a quart and a half. This is 2 quart full, so you're gonna use I'm gonna use 44 ounces. Yes, 32 ounces in a quart. So this 44. So I'm gonna put it. Yeah, fill it up, put a quart and a half, and then just top it off and start it. And then, yeah, we'll see. Hey, what's up, fellas? So, yeah, oil change is done. Topped it off. Put about, you guys seen I had the 2.5 gallon T4 oil, which is, I think it was 9.4 liters. So I put the whole thing. Then I've used about, you guys can see how much I've used. I got roughly around like 20 ounces, I would say. About like 20 ounces left. So I've used 44 ounces and the truck's been running. Then I added another half a quart of T4 oil. I had some extra, so added that. Now it's at the perfect level. The reason mine takes more is because of the oil filter. And I was like, while I'm at it, I'm gonna put a PPE transmission filter too. So yeah, the oil filter is huge, so I use about 11 quarts. So yeah, I'll make a video in a week explaining. I'll make a video in a week. We'll see if it made a difference in the fuel economy and all that. If the truck is running smoother. So let's see how many miles I got right now. So I've got about 236,000. I'll say 37,000. So I'll make a video in 1,000 miles. We'll see the difference. Till then, peace, guys. Hey, what's up, YouTube family? So I want to make a little update on the Hotshot stiction eliminator that I've used. Last time I did an oil change on it, was like about a week and a half ago, and so it's almost at 1,000 miles now. I think it is 1,000 miles. I'm not sure what it was last time, but I think it's at 1,000 miles now. My oil life is saying 89%. The average economy is saying 18.4. That's not true. I'm still getting around like 16 miles per gallon. Sometimes if all I'm doing is like less idling, all highway miles, it will go up to 23, but still I only get like about 16 miles to a gallon. So in my opinion, I don't think the Hotshot stiction eliminator made a difference in my truck. The truck is, I won't say it's quieter or anything. It's the same. It drives the same, feels the same. So let me know if you guys have ever used it and if it actually made a difference in your truck. I just did the injectors on this truck about like 6,000-7,000 miles ago, so it's brand new Bosch injectors. Maybe that's why. The turbo spool time, everything is the same. Yeah, I didn't really feel a difference, so I want you guys to let me know. And by the way, this is a 2005 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, LLY Duramax. I'll let you guys know maybe next time I do a oil change on it. I don't know if I want to add that, because it was like pretty expensive. It was like almost $60 for the 2 quarts, I guess it was. So till then, peace. But I don't think the stiction eliminator actually worked for me. All right, guys.